It's time now for our Tuesday Business Report, and joining us live from New York is Africa 54 business correspondent Alexis Christoforous. Alexis, Nigeria is taking steps to get people to pay their outstanding debt. What is happening?
Well, Nigerian banks are naming and shaming those who own large sums of money in the hopes that they'll finally pay up. Under orders from the central bank, Nigerian commercial lenders listed hundreds of bad debtors in full-page newspaper ads this week. The central bank is trying to avoid a repeat of an industry bailout that cost the government $4 billion just 6 years ago. Linord.
Now, the Greek stock market reopened yesterday for the first time after 5 weeks. How is the market doing?
Unfortunately, not well. Greek stocks down as much as 5% today, taking a beating for a second straight day. And bank stocks are leading the decline once again there. Many of those stocks are down 30%. That's the market's daily limit. The Greek stock exchange reopened Monday with a drop of 16% after a 5-week shutdown imposed by the country's debt crisis and capital controls. Meantime, Greece expects to wrap up its third bailout deal with creditors by August 18th.
And Alexis, it seems like investors are showing a lot of interest for Apple's stock. What's behind the selling?
Yeah, Apple's stock is taking a beating, falling to a 6-month low as it chalks up its 5th straight day of losses. The maker of the iPhone and iPad is now more than 10% below its record close of $133 a share back in February. So that means Apple's stock has officially entered correction territory. Investors are concerned that an economic slowdown in China could hurt Apple's bottom line, since China is the company's biggest growth market. There's also concern that Apple's smartphone is saturated in developed nations. Still, Apple stock is up 7% this year. It had been up as much as 22%, but some analysts call this recent sell-off overdone. Linord.
Thank you so much, Alexis, for this great report. And that was Africa 54 business correspondent Alexis Christoforous reporting live from New York.